Alright guys, we're almost done with the frame. We got a couple little things to finish, and the guys is on the final touch-up list. That little gable that on the dormer, that's the final thing he's doing, and there's some things inside, and also they will be connecting that this section right here. They will be connecting that because we will have a brick under that roof line, and on the top we will have a cedar shake. So that should be it with the frame. They told me they will wrap it in a house wrap sometimes today. Alright, cool. Let's see when we come back. Okay guys, I got my roofers out here, start working on it, and frame is still not finished. There's a couple of things that needed to be done. The gable, that little thing right there, that needs to be fixed. That is no good. The frame was done wrong, so they're going to redo that little hip roof on the top of the bay window. And this here was fixed as well. We got this section done, so we're good to go. That frame is going down. No good. What's up guys, I'm up on the roof, and I have a little issue with my framers. They still managed to build it wrong. It's so messed up, I can't even explain you. See, this is supposed to be all the way up there, and they have line shifted like 6 inches. So, and then another one supposed to go in here. See, from this point straight up to that breaking point. So they've really messed it up. There we go again. It's slowing down my roofers. My roofers got everything wrapped and they're ready to shingle, and they have to wait on this little issue here. So this is what we got. I hope it's going to be fixed. Back to the house. Let's see some progress here. We got shingle back wall, back side of the house, shingled. Neighbors getting shingles as well. Okay, this side is completed. Looking good. Fireplace done. That thing straight line with that, okay? We got some more progress. Some windows installed. Windows in loft installed. I got that roof fixed. I love it. Looking good.
We love it!
Yeah!
We love it!
Oh yeah, still have to work on these bay windows to cut them down. I haven't fixed that one. Yeah, that one needs to be fixed as well. Check this out guys, I have no clue what this is. They made something like Egyptians. I have no idea what that is all about. Some kind of scaffolding. Well, I hope they are safe. I don't want no accidents up here. So I'm going to ask him what's going on. What is that for? That's funny. That is funny. Finally things completed. I'm glad to see that valley done, that bay roof completed. Man, I'm glad to see that. I'm just gonna close the windows in case it rains. Stay dry because we have pretty much all roof done. This here is done. Let me show you. This here is also completed. That's for the HVAC. The unit will be right here in the attic, and the big old duct will go through this to the other side. So we did not have this, and originally by the blueprints we're supposed to have a ceiling sloping down, just like the steps going down. That's how the ceiling was supposed to go down, but we got the ceiling up high, and I told him to make this, to add this up right here, if you can see. So the duct work will go through that to the other side of the house. Let me turn down and show you. HVAC duct will be up high over there, over that door, somewhere by this column, on this side of the column. So that's the reason they added that little ceiling. And let's see, we got, looks like they just did a pocket door. So pocket door is in place. We're just gonna fasten that a little later. Cut this out. This was all the way out here, so it was like this. And finally they cut it out. This actually, the purpose of this is that when you come in from the garage, you can sit down here and, you know, put your shoes on, things like that. So it'll be a restroom, half a bathroom here. This ceiling is 17.5 feet high, so it's pretty high ceiling. This ceiling was supposed to be like 9.5 foot. I raised it up, and this looks legit. It's gonna be really, really nice. Nice living room. Open concept. I will have kitchen in that corner, dining table next to that big old column that goes all the way up to the ceiling, and this here will be living space, living room. So we'll have a couch one on the one side, another couch on the other side, and I will install electric fireplace, most likely, because this neighborhood doesn't have natural gas. What's up, guys? I am at the septic job now. We're gonna try to dig a hole for a tank. I'm gonna get me my orange spray and draw some lines, make sure I'm cutting it in the right place. How you doing, guys? I'm back on the construction site, and my guys cleaning up right now, making looking pretty. They got a big old fire going on, burning all the junk, and stacked some good materials inside. Got a couple of sheets of plywood. There's some stuff that needs to be picked up as well. Let me show you. I can feel the heat inside the house. That's really hot. That's ridiculous how hot that fire is. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna tell them don't build it any bigger. It's kind of dangerous. All right, guys, nice and clean. Roof completed. Guys been working whole day cleaning up. Look at that. They had a big fire going on, as you see. All right, this lumber will be picked up. Just the shingles left over. 4 pallets back behind the house, but I don't want to go, it's too wet. Guys, we had so much rain last night. Done, but we had such a heavy rain, and that's how I got water. I guess all that water came through this big old opening, so I'm fixing to do this door. Hope I can do this today. Lots of stuff to do, but it's nice and dry now. And let's see what's happening on the left. Okay, nice and dry. No leakage. Roof is good. Very good, very good. Let's talk about a little bit our update. The house that we're building right now, it's identical to the house that we built last summer. Very nice, very nice. We just fell in love with the layout, and of course we did a lot of changes. So that's why we wanted to go with that same particular, layout and the plan, because we went through so many changes, so many little details. So we like, hey, we know the prices. We got all the supplies cost. We got all the labor cost. So let's just do it. So that's how we end up, doing the same thing. And let me tell you what we got right now. We got frame completed, as you saw. We got roofing completed, so no leaks, just a small leak through that big old door. We got that installed yesterday, so you're all good on that one. And now the next thing that we're gonna do, we got our electrician lined up, and he's gonna jump on any day now. Plumber will start end of this week, and HVAC guy looks like he's gonna start in about a week from now, which is sometimes May 25. That's what he said. So hopefully he's not delaying our project. And we got sheetrock people line up for end of May, which is like 30th. So HVAC should take not more than, let's say, 3 days. The longest 5 days. So hopefully that's all. Okay, what else we got? Do you remember anything of Vera? She's recording right now.
No, he knows everything.
No, well, we need to remind one another. So let's see.
Well, doors are coming.
So what else we have? Brick people, masons will start this week. Scott called me from a local brick company. He called me that he got my brick going out, so I'm gonna stop by and see if the brick is there. We say bye-bye for now, and till next video. We have a lot of exciting things coming up, and I hope this house will turn out the best in that neighborhood, and I hope you enjoy this beautiful view in the back there. Look at that pond. It looks so good. We're actually doing the same thing. We're not going to do any gable and roof, so we don't jeopardize the sunlight, the daylight into that living room, the kitchen area. We didn't want to do any skylights, because those skylights, they always leak. Don't you think so?
Yep.
We always have skylight phone calls,
Skylight,
we got a skylight leaking. They don't last. I mean, the flashing fails, so we just didn't want to put it. And no roof, so am I gonna go with some kind of glass? little glass roof. Remember I told you that I'm gonna do that?
Yes.
I'm gonna put
And the sunlight will go through.
yeah, so you'll have a lot of daylight coming through that big, door. It's not the biggest door. It's very affordable, but hey.
And we're gonna keep the same dark color on the soffit.
Yeah,
and
soffits would be the same way.
downspouts and
And there wouldn't be no deck because it's such a low ground, so we're just gonna do patio on that one. So, all right, we'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Stay tuned to our channel. We definitely will working hard to post more videos. Man, it's a lot of work editing those videos. So, but yeah, I'm really excited.
And you will
to
see how that beautiful house will be at the
Oh
end.
yes, oh yeah, that would definitely look good. We have neighbors just stopping by, like, what the heck? The house looks so good already, Okay, see you. Take care. Bye bye.